Hi grade 5th. Today I am starting chapter number 22, that is vocabulary. In these words, different concepts are used to enhance our vocabulary. Vocabulary is the collection of words which will be easy to understand, but why it is important to speak in English. If you want to speak in English, we should have enough vocabulary. That means the words which we can easily speak. For example, if I want to speak in English, I need continuous flow of words, right? I should not stop anywhere in between my words, in between my sentences. I should convey my feelings, my gestures, whatever I want to tell you in fluent way. I don't have to stop anywhere. So for this, vocabulary is important. If you don't have enough vocabulary, it will be difficult for you to speak in English, and not rather speak in English, but to speak in fluent English. So vocabulary consists of different types of concepts, that is prefixes, suffixes, synonyms, antonyms, homophones, homonyms, then similes, right? These are only few concepts taken here, but for English vocabulary there are endless words, endless concepts, so we don't have to stop with this few concepts, but we have to improve our vocabulary with many more concepts. So I am starting with this chapter and taking those concepts which are taken in this chapter, but I want you to do by your own the extra efforts to improve your vocabulary. Now, prefixes. What is prefixes? Prefixes are the words which are added before the words, that is prior to words, to make, maybe to change their meanings, maybe to make their opposites, anything. It doesn't mean prefixes are used to just make opposite. No, it means prefixes are used to add something to that, in something in that particular word, or to make its opposite. So it depends on the word which prefix is used and how its meaning is changing. Maybe it is adding to some value of that particular word. For example, happiness. Happiness is suffix. I'll say agreement, disagreement. So dis is your prefix which is used before agreement. So agreement is your dis is your prefix. Unhappy, un is your prefix because you have used, and with that the meaning of word is also changed. Maybe it has converted to opposite or something. It doesn't mean every time it is opposite only. I don't have particular examples right now for prefixes not changing in opposites, but prefix is also used for changing its meanings. A prefix is a letter or a group of words added before the words to make a new word. Adding prefix to a word changes the meaning of the word. As I already said, it changes the word's meaning. The prefixes un and dis means not and opposite of. Familiar, unfamiliar. Unfamiliar means not familiar. Believe, disbelieve. Disbelieve is not believing. So whenever we use un and dis, it changes its meaning. Now, exercise A. Give one word for the phrases and circle the words in the grid. The opposite of trust. Opposite of trust means distrust. So, opposite of trust is distrust. So, what prefix we used this? Dis. B. Not safe. Not safe is unsafe. We added un here. Unsafe. The opposite of comfort, that is discomfort. So we used dis as our prefix. Number 4. The opposite of regard. Regard, disregard. Number 5. Not certain, it's uncertain. So un is our prefix. Number 6. Not answered, it's unanswered. The opposite of agreed, disagreed. The opposite of healthy, it's unhealthy. Right? So, these all words you have to find in this grid.